we have all been told that stock investing pays off handsomely over the long term. But have you wondered that one of the key reasons we invest in stocks of our country is only because we were born and stay here? While investing in international stocks was once almost impossible, things have gotten easier over the past few years. For starters, stocks of different companies tend to perform differently over any given time frame. This means that exposure to global stocks will diversify your portfolio. Secondly, countries such as the US offer investment opportunities that you will not get in India. Thus, there is a broader chance to invest in companies which provide cutting-edge technologies. In addition, investment in foreign companies implies de facto investment in other currencies, and so your returns will get a boost when these currencies perform well. However, global investments are not without risks. The first risk is that each country has its risk associated with it, be it economic, business, or political, unique. Second, currency can be a double-edged sword. Hence, it can get stronger in the exchange rate against your home currency and favor you or get weaker, resulting in a loss. Various brokers in India have tie-ups with their global counterparts to help their clients invest directly in foreign stocks. Several mutual fund companies offer mutual fund schemes and ETFs that invest in global stocks. These funds follow different strategies that decide which indices, countries, or type of stocks they invest in. You will have to choose the one you would want to invest in. If you are not comfortable with any of the above, you can invest in a domestic company that derives a substantial fraction of sales from overseas markets. Every investment you make will incur taxes. The international market where the stocks are issued will retain a certain amount of dividend for local tax. In addition, some countries will also charge a capital gains tax. However, filing income tax here in India will get you a foreign tax credit or remission for such taxes paid. Reach out to a tax professional to know the intricacies of foreign investments and tax implications. Global investments can be a powerful source of returns while also helping diversify your portfolio. However, allocating your portfolio to international investments should be backed by credible research, your willingness to take the risk, and an ideal investing timeline.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.